Hi, I'm Dana Edge. I want to show you how to calculate a conditional probability from a table. So here is one sample problem. We've got a table here that says in an experiment, college students were given either 4 quarters or a $1 bill, and they could either keep the money or spend it on gum. The results are summarized in the table. Complete the parts A through C below. So the first thing they want us to do, find the probability of randomly selecting a student who spent the money, given that the student was given 4 quarters. When we want to find the probability that somebody spent the money, given that it was one of the people who were given 4 quarters, we know that only 27 plus 15 is 42 people were given 4 quarters. So given that they were given the change, we're not talking about out of the entire group. We're only talking about the group that was given the change instead of a dollar bill. So the number of people who spent the money out of the number of people who were given change is going to be 27 divided by 42. And that as a decimal, 27 divided by 42 is this whole long huge thing. But because they want 3 decimal places, it's going to be 6.4. We're going to round the 2 up because the 8, so 0.643. On the other hand, to find the probability of selecting a student who kept the money, given that the student was given 4 quarters, that is actually going to be the complement. We could do the same way, take the number of people who were given 4 quarters is going to be the denominator. And we're only talking about students who kept the money. So that's going to be 15 out of 42. 15 divided by 42. 0.357. Okay. But now notice another way to do this. The people who were given 4 quarters either spent the money or they kept the money. Out of these 42 people who were given the 4 quarters, they either spent the money or kept the money. There is no third option here. Notice that these two things will add up. If I take 0.643, and to that I add 0.357, I get 1. So the probability that they kept the money, given that they were 4 quarters, is going to be the complement of the probability that they spent the money, given that they were given 4 quarters.